Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna make a triangle, and I did this earlier, so let's see if I can make it work now. I'm just gonna do click, 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 and I think I got to end it at the third point. There, now it's ended. So I got a triangle. Um, Now I'm going to pick one of the vertices, and I'm going to swing an arc through the two sides. And of course, with this, we need a circle. So I'm going to do a circle with a center. I'm going to make B my center, and I'll draw it. I don't. It doesn't really matter like that. Okay, now what I've got to do is I've got to find, just like with the compass, I knew where it intersected the side. So just to make sure that I've got the right points, I'm going to click find that intersection, and I'll find that intersection. And D is just D, that's nothing. I wish you could delete it. Maybe I could. I don't want to try to take time to do it. Now to make sure that I'm going to use the same, I don't want to change the size of my circle. I'm going to use, I mean, I could use a different circle here, but I'm just to be consistent. So I'm going to get that, use the compass to find that radius, and I'm going to center the circle here at E. Then I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to use, while BE should be exactly the same size as BF, because they're both radii, I'm just going to do BE again. And then I'm going to center that circle at F. And then see that intersection? That's where the two arcs intersect, just like with a compass. So I'm going to select that intersection, and then I'm going to draw a ray from B to that point G. Okay, so that's the first angle bisector. Now I don't do it at C, so I'm going to do circle with a center, and I'm going to draw it out. However, I'll draw it that big. Now I got to find the intersection points where that circle intersects the two sides. So that one and that one. Now I'm going to use my compass to get that distance. And I'm going to center a circle at J. Then I'm going to do that same. Probably the compass is remembered, but I'm going to make sure. And then I'm going to click on I. And you see where those two circles intersected? I think it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to find that intersection. Now I'm going to do a ray from C to K. C to K. Now I'm going to do it for circle A. Now that's where it gets busy, so bear with me. So I'm going to do circle with it A, centered at A, and let's get a clear spot. How about right there? That looks pretty clear. Then I'm going to find the intersections. Now I'm going to get a compass. I'm going to do a circle with the radius AN or AM. That works as long as I don't lose my mind here. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm going to click it so it's N. So it's that circle there. Now I'm doing another compass. I'm going to get that same radius, which is the same as AM, right? But I'm going to center that circle at M. And now where the heck is that circle? That one, right? And whoops, no, I want to go point. I want this. So I got this circle, and I've got this circle, right? Yes, that circle, that radius AM, centered at M, and this is circle A is N, centered at AM. Now, where's the intersection? Oh crap, just a minute here. Centered there. That goes to N, A, there we go. So that point and that point there. Do you see that intersection? So I'm going to click on that intersection, and I'm hoping I'm got the right one. Good. Now we'll do ray AO, and I'm hoping it crosses with the two red lines I already do cross. AO, AO is right there. That's AO, right? Whoop, come on down. And look at that intersection. I know what H is, but that point P I just is the incenter, and that worked. Okay, so that's if we could clean it all up, probably there's a way to do it. I just have to take some time, figure out how to do it. But that construction does work. Okay.